on earth could be more important than this collection of songs?
I bequeath the collection of the mountain ballads to you.
To me? Mm-hmm. Well, how am I going to work without you?
Well, when you get to Bear Creek, ask for Viney Butler.
Tell Viney that Tom, Lily, and Delatus said that you're a very nice man, and she should help you.
Who? Delatus?
Delatus.
Viney Butler. She knows dozens of songs. She will help you.